How to use moringa for maximum health benefits. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is a powerhouse of nutrients, antioxidants, and essential compounds that offer a wide range of health benefits. From boosting immunity to improving digestion and promoting glowing skin, this superfood has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But how can you make the most of its incredible properties? Let's explore the best ways to use moringa for maximum health benefits. Understanding the benefits of moringa. Moringa leaves, seeds, flowers, and even roots contain vital nutrients that contribute to overall health. Here are some of the key benefits. Rich in nutrients. Moringa is packed with vitamins A, C, and minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Boosts immunity. The high antioxidant content helps fight free radicals and supports immune function. Enhances energy levels. Moringa is a natural energy booster, reducing fatigue and promoting endurance. Aids digestion. Its fiber content improves gut health and prevents constipation. Supports weight loss. Moringa helps boost metabolism and regulate blood sugar levels. Promotes skin and hair health. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties keep skin glowing and hair strong. How to consume moringa for maximum benefits. There are various ways to incorporate moringa into your diet and daily routine. Here are the best methods. Moringa powder. Moringa powder is one of the easiest and most effective ways to consume moringa. Here's how you can use it. Moringa smoothie. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder to your favorite smoothie for an extra nutrient boost. Moringa tea. Steep a teaspoon of moringa powder in hot water. Add honey and lemon for flavor. Moringa in soups and curries. Sprinkle moringa powder into soups, stews, or curries for added nutrition. Moringa capsules. If you're always on the go, moringa supplements in capsule form provide an easy alternative. Fresh moringa leaves. Fresh moringa leaves retain all their natural nutrients and can be used in many ways. Salads. Toss a handful of fresh moringa leaves into salads for a nutritious twist. Soups and stir-fries. Add fresh leaves to soups, stir-fries, or sautéed dishes for a healthy meal. Juicing. Blend fresh moringa leaves with fruits like pineapple or orange for a refreshing drink. Moringa tea. Moringa tea is a simple yet effective way to enjoy its benefits. Basic moringa tea. Steep dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Moringa and ginger tea. Add a slice of fresh ginger for an immune-boosting drink. Iced moringa tea. Brew and chill moringa tea, then add lemon and mint for a refreshing summer drink. Moringa oil for skin and hair. Moringa oil, also known as Ben oil, is a fantastic addition to your beauty routine. For skin, apply moringa oil directly to your skin to reduce inflammation, acne, and dryness. For hair, massage a few drops of moringa oil into your scalp to promote hair growth and strength. For anti-aging, moringa oil contains antioxidants that fight wrinkles and promote youthful skin. 3. Best time to take moringa. Timing can enhance the effectiveness of moringa. Morning boosts energy levels and metabolism for the day. Before meals helps regulate appetite and improves digestion. Before bed supports relaxation and overall wellness while you sleep. While moringa is generally safe, excessive consumption may lead to side effects. Keep these in mind. Avoid taking too much at once as it may cause digestive discomfort. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before using moringa, as certain compounds may affect pregnancy. Monitor blood sugar levels, especially if you're diabetic, as moringa may lower blood sugar significantly. Moringa is a versatile superfood with countless health benefits. Whether consumed as a powder, tea, fresh leaves, or oil, incorporating it into your daily routine can enhance overall well-being. By using moringa in the right ways and in moderation, you can harness its full potential for maximum health benefits. Are you ready to add moringa to your routine? Try these simple methods and experience the difference.